Hey guys, I'm Rob. This is Little Man Cave on the Prairie, and today we are going to talk about the new shoes that I got for the two-door tracker. These are 33-inch Firestone Destination MT2s. So they are the next brand of the Destinations, and they changed them quite a bit. So first off, these came out in 2017, so they're not like out new this year or anything like that. The Firestone Destination MT2 is just a newer version of the MT. But there was a lot of changes that they did with this one. Came out in 2017. I just got a set just a couple months ago, and I am really in love with them. I can't wait to check them out in snow. Like I said, I live in Canada, and we get a lot of snow. So, well, not a lot in my area, but I get enough. So first off, let's look at what they changed. And there's quite a bit. They changed the compound. Less chips coming off and cracking, so it's a different compound. They last a little bit longer than the original MTs, which is nice. They also changed out to a 3-ply sidewall, which is better than the original MT. And the lugs have a lot more bite to them than the originals. And one of the things that they also changed was they went with an old school tractor, paddle tractor kind of idea, which is this what they call a 23-degree angle, attack angle they call it, which just it just grabs better, I guess. I've gone through a couple mud holes with them. I'm not much of a mud guy, but I really bought them for snow, and like I said, I can't wait to try them in that. But I have seen in the mud that they do a lot better than, well, really any of the other ones that I've ever had. Another change is that they have these and right here, these little lines that are in them. Okay, and what that is for is so that you don't get rocks and stuff. They kind of like, if you get a rock stuck in here, well, you got this one pushing on it and this one pushing on it. So this little strip here pushes on it that way. So it gives you a way better chance of kicking out rocks so they're not stuck in your tires and, making a bunch of noise and flinging them out when you're driving. And if you're driving, say, at 100K and you fling out a rock, it's going to come up and bang right into your windshield, right? So I've had that happen. They also added another 20% of what they call biting edge. So they are a lot, oh, there's a rock that stayed. So it bites better in snow, gravel, things like that, loose dirt, whatever. So just a little bit better handling than the original, which is nice. And like that's a meaty lug. It's now, don't get me wrong, these are loud on the highway. No more or no less than any other MT that I've ever had, but yeah, like that's any MT's downfall is road noise. Like when I get going and I get that going and my visor, well, you can't even have a conversation in there. But this is, it goes slow down the trail. It doesn't, doesn't, I don't know, go fast down the highway. It's not made to go fast. The other nice thing is that you can put studs in them, because I have yet to see a MT that's good on ice, but at least, if you can stud them, it really helps out. And lastly, probably one of my favorite things about these is that they designed these side lugs you know, to work better as they're aired down. So this tire is actually, you know, made to work well when it's aired down. I travel anywhere between 8 and 15, I guess, depending on what I'm going over, but they really, you know, they stick out nicely, and I haven't had a chance to get them on rocks yet. Just the area that I live is a lot of, well, it's farmland, so it's, you know, topsoil and swamp mostly, but so there's no roots to really grab or anything, but I do go to British Columbia sometimes, and that's all rock. So, you know, when I haul it down there, I'll have a better chance to see how they do. I air down here, but that's mostly for comfort and just to put a wider pad on the mud, I guess. But yeah, that's it for today. Just a quick one, quick blast. Just to let you guys know what I think of them and show you guys my new tires. So if you like what you're seeing, you want to see more stuff about trackers, we've got, well, quite a few of them sitting in the yard. Hit that like button, subscribe, all that jazz, and we tripping over stuff. We will catch you in that next one, guys. Take her easy.